If you want to know the difference between a 2026 Renegade Valencia and a 2027 Renegade Valencia, you're in the right spot. What's up, folks? It's Hayes here with Bob Hurley RV in beautiful Oklahoma City, and today we are doing a head-to-head comparison between the 2026 and the 2027 Renegade Valencia. We are going to go over exactly what 22 things have changed going from model year 26 over to model year 27. And if you're really considering a new Valencia, you need to pay attention to this, so you can determine if you can save a little bit of extra money and settle for the 26, or if we need to shell out a little bit more and get those upgraded features on the 2027. But before we get into this, you guys know the drill. You've got to subscribe to the channel. There's a little red button that's right down there, right down here somewhere. I'm sure you can find it. You're a smart person. Go ahead and hit that thing for me. Perfect. Let's get into it. There are 3 floor plans being carried over from 2026 into 2027, and that includes this 39BB, the 39RB, and the 36SB. Those are the 3 carrying over from 26 over to 27, and they have introduced this brand spanking new floor plan, and this right here is the 39FW. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at this guy. Now, I will have a full-blown video over this floor plan coming soon, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and keep your eyes peeled for a full tour of this 39FW. Really nice floor plan with a full wall super slide. Look at that. Really opens this guy up. Single bath, really nice open bedroom here in the back. But this full wall slide really is a game changer and opens up all kinds of space for the Valencia line. Guys, let me know down in the comments, what do you think about this floor plan? Heading into the 2026, there have been 3 carryovers with the interior decor. And that includes Augusta, Wilmington, and Bellport. I'll put a picture of all 3 of those up right here. All 3 of these guys are carrying over to 27. There are also 3 wood stain options that carry over from 26, and those are Lakewood, Cape Cod, and Essence White. I'm gonna throw some pictures up of these guys. Boom. Those 3 carry over to 27. Now, Renegade always knocks it out of the park with their full body paint schemes, especially with their multicolor paint schemes, and there are 4 that carry over from 26 to 27. And those include Atmos, Ion, Luminance, and Recharge, and this 39FW is in the Recharge color option. Personally, I think it's pretty cool, but you guys, you know the drill. You gotta let me know what you think down in the comments. Now, Renegade has 4 additional solid color options that carry over from 26 to 27, and those include the Tundra, which is this white. This unit just happens to be a Verona and not a Valencia. However, the color is still the same, and this is the Polaris Gray. This is the Atlas Green color. Now, I know it's very, very close to the Polaris Gray. Here is a picture of them side by side. And if you guys want some more info on this 39RB, I have a full-blown tour on this guy that is right down on my channel. There's a link down below. Be sure to go and watch it if you want. And this is the Mojave Sand Metallic. Out of all 4 of these solid color options, you guys tell me down in the comments below, which one's your favorite? Personally, I'm kind of torn between the Atlas Green and this Mojave. They're both really good. Now for the chassis, and there are 4 differences between the 2026 and the 2027 S2RV chassis offered by Freightliner. Let me show you. All right, check it out. The 2026 Valencia has a 750 cubic inch radiator, where the 2027 S2RV Valencia has a 780 cubic inch radiator. The next difference is going to be here in our headlights. The 2026 has incandescent high and low beams, whereas the 27 has LED high and low beams. Now this may be the biggest difference here, but in 2026 we have a 6-speed Allison 3000 mH, where in 2027 we get a 9-speed Allison MH2909 9-speed transmission. Now they also changed our gearing ratio from a 478 limited slip rear end over to a 522 limited slip differential in the 2027. And those are all of our chassis differences. Continuing on the exterior, this window is a big change for 2027. In 27, Valencia started adding this big panoramic kitchen view window, where in 2026, we really didn't have that. Over here, this would be our kitchen slide, and we have one small window where our kitchen sink is instead of that big panoramic window. Really nice upgrade. Both the 26 and the 27 have our overcab bunk with our windshield. However, the 2027, you get ceramic tint with IR protection for reduced heat transfer. So tinted overcab bunk, non-tinted overcab bunk. Now in 2026, every Valencia had carpet here on the bottom of our slides. Now it is very nice carpet, super plush, but it's carpet nonetheless. Now for 27, they have gone to this woven vinyl instead of carpet. No more having to vacuum all that stinking carpet and getting your dog hair everywhere. Now for the bathroom. Going into this 26, you'll see how we have our matte black bathroom hardware. Now I also want you to take a good look at this shower here, because that is another difference for 27. Now in the 27, our bathroom fixtures are just a tad bit different. They are still matte black, but they are a little bit different. Now they have also added a different insert with a soap tray right here, where we didn't have that in the 26. We are here in the bedroom of the 26, and I want to show you the difference in this pocket door. So regardless, nice door, all full hardwood. This is our locking mechanism. Here's a good look at our door. Now back in the 2027, look at this. So now we'll push down on that guy and it will come over and lock back into place. And whenever I try to pull it back, it's not going anywhere. We don't have that little dinky twist turning knob anymore. Now we'll push that guy down and move it back. And depending on the floor plan, we'll also get a partial mirror on the back of this door here. There are two new countertop colors in 27, and that would be the Calcutta Costa and Aurora Frost. Here's a picture of those guys. And they have also deleted the Aurora Cream countertop. Back here in the kitchen of the 2026, and there's a few differences here. Now in 2026, you had multiple different backsplash options that did not necessarily match your countertop options. Now we also have our smaller window here in the kitchen that is not framed out. Now let's take a look at the 27. Here in the 2027, you'll notice that our backsplash is really a continuation of our solid surface countertop. So we are matchy-matchy all the way through. Another look at that beautiful panoramic kitchen window, and you'll notice that this guy is actually framed out where our 2026 is not. Still here in the 27, you'll notice that we have different backsplash options here in the bathroom. So we do have some carryover from different backsplashes going from 26 over to 27 just in our bathroom backsplash option. Back in the 2026, here is a look at our accent sconce. And in 2027, we have a new design. Guys, let me know down in the comments, which sconce do you prefer, 26 or 27? There are no changes in the beautiful custom cabinetry. There are also no changes in the appliances that are used. This 24-inch Insignia Smart TV is now a standard in 2027, where it was an option in the Overcab Bunk in 2026. I know earlier I said the transmission may have been the biggest change, but this is also a really big one too. So in 2026, Valencia was using Schwintek slides. Now in 2027, they have gone over to the Lippert Sure Slide. Now, fun fact, in 2026 on Verona LE and up, so Explorer, Verona LE, Classic, XL, and Icon, all of those were using your Lippert Sure Slide, where our Verona and Valencia and lesser models in 26 were still using the Schwintek slide. No more. In 2027, everything is getting the Lippert Sure Slide. Now, both 26 and 27 Valencias will use the EQ hydraulic leveling system. However, in 2027, it has since been upgraded to a larger capacity. So this is actually the same level system that you will find in a Verona. There is nothing new in our plumbing systems from 26 to 27. In 2026, your battery upgrade option was 3 100 amp hour Dragonfly lithium ion batteries, giving you 300 amp hours in total. In 2027, they have upgraded that to 2 270 amp hour Dragonfly lithium ion batteries. So now we have 540 amp hours as opposed to 300 amp hours. Definitely a step in the right direction. The other difference is in 27, Renegade is offering a HD heavy-duty shock suspension upgrade. Now, we haven't checked that box on this one, but I gotta have something for you guys to look at. And now you know the differences between the 2026 Valencia and the 2027 Valencia. Guys, leave it down in the comments. Do you think that the 2026 would work, or do you really need to upgrade up to the 2027 and its additional features? Always want to hear what you guys have to say. And if you are in the market for a nice 26 Valencia or a 27 Valencia, or maybe something else that I have over here, I have got over 200 units in stock and ready to go for sale right now. And here's the thing, I don't get paid by Bob Hurley to make these videos. I make these so I can showcase really cool inventory like this stuff to all of you guys out there. But the end goal is to end up selling one of these. So if you're considering looking at a new Valencia, whether it is a 26 or a 27, you owe it to yourself to dial that number on the bottom of the screen and give me a call. I get extremely aggressive on my pricing, especially with all of my YouTube customers out there, because it takes a lot of time and energy to make this video. So I want to capitalize on every opportunity I get to give you guys the best deal possible. Again, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know I sure enjoyed making it. If you did, be sure to like this video and share it with all of your camping buddies. Just like that, we're out of here. Be on the lookout for my next video, a full tour of this 39 FW. Hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one.